Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about managing and scheduling your posts. Let's get started. Uploading content on your Facebook page can take up your time if you're not prepared about what content you want to post on your page and you're going to craft your caption at the same time that you will upload the content. When you schedule posts, you're preparing ahead of time what content you should post, including the images that you will see, the video that you will share, including the description, and the use of hashtags or tags on videos. To schedule a post, you need to be the owner of the Facebook page or you have received permission to manage that page. Go to the page where you want to schedule posts. Go to the publishing tools, then look for more tools. Now click Creator Studio. On Creator Studio's homepage, you can choose the Create New button, then choose to create post tests, add story, upload video, multiple videos, go live, or post video across pages. You can try the post test option to compare the results of 2 or more content and learn what content gets more views and engagement. First, decide on what type of media you should upload, such as images or videos. If you are comparing images, you cannot add a video to compare it with that content. Once you have uploaded a media, edit the video details for each content. You can use the pencil icon to add more features to your content. Then click Save. You can publish tests or schedule tests. Set the test settings. Write a name for the test, then describe what this test is all about. But take note, it is optional. Under Key Metric, you can select one metric that you will use to determine the performance of each content that you are comparing. Options are comments, shares, 1-minute video views, reactions, people reached, link clicks, and average minutes viewed. Choose a key metric, then set the duration. You can set a time to test your post for a maximum of 24 hours. Choose from the available options, then click Next. We can schedule the test post or publish it. Take note that editing for this test is not available once you hit the Schedule button. Now let's set the date and time. Then click the Schedule button. Now you have successfully scheduled a post test. Here's the content that we have uploaded to compare. Testing your content will allow you to have an idea which among your content will have more engagement or views depending on the metric that you have set. This allows you to properly prepare the content that you will share with your followers on your page, as you prepare them for a week's worth of content. The content that ranked high will be your guide to apply in preparing and creating the content that you will schedule for 1 week or more. Once you know the results for the post test, you can start preparing a week's worth of content that you can schedule. You can upload a single video, multiple videos, or post videos across pages. Choose your video, add a title, the description, add tags, and if you need to add more features such as thumbnails, polls, add them here. Click Next. Choose how to publish your post. For videos, you can set it to premiere, where you can create an online event for this video premiere. People can even respond to the event. You can select a date and time to schedule the premiere for your video. Also, you need to add an image for the newsfeed announcement post. When you click Schedule, you can set the date and time that you want your video to publish on your Facebook page. Then add a video to your existing playlist or create a new one. Then click Schedule. You can see this notification that your content is scheduled and will be posted on this date and time. When posting content with an image, you can schedule the content in this section. Instead of using the Publish button, click on the drop-down arrow and choose Schedule Post. Then set the date and time to share this content. Then click Save. Now you can click on the Schedule Post button here. The scheduled content will be placed under the Pre-Published menu on your Creator Studio. You can view the scheduled posts in the calendar view. When you manage to schedule your content to automatically post content every day or on the specific days and time that you have set, you can have more time to spend on your business to improve on marketing your products or services. You don't have to worry about what to post every single day. It is important to manage the content on your Facebook page so that you can share posts consistently with your followers. You can start creating content in advance for a week or 2 weeks worth of content, including the images, videos, caption or description, and the keywords, tags, or hashtags to apply in each content. If you prepare this ahead of time, it will be easier to upload all your content and schedule them to be posted on the days and times that you will set. You can even view the scheduled content using the calendar view and see if there are gaps without scheduled content for some dates. If your business needs higher rankings and viral traffic, we have a marketing app that can help you get more traffic using pre-recorded videos on Facebook or YouTube and make it seem to go live on the platform. Livecaster is the most powerful traffic boosting application that gives a traffic boost from both Facebook pages and profiles. You can go live instantly or schedule your live cast for future live broadcasts. You can live cast multiple videos simultaneously. You can go live in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect Livecaster to any live streaming platform. Step 2. Add any video from your computer. Step 3. Then schedule or go live with one click. Try Livecaster now. Go to livecaster.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.